What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making a smash burger, but we're gonna throw some fried green tomatoes on there. We got some real nice green tomatoes from a friend of ours, so why not throw them on a burger, right? I think it's gonna be delicious. So we got some really good ingredients, but first let's take you inside. Let's get these tomatoes all ready to go. We're gonna fry them up on the griddle, and that's it. So these are the ingredients we got. We have just your ordinary flour. We have 2 eggs with a little bit of milk in there. We have cornmeal and some plain panko breadcrumbs over here. I mean, just easy stuff. Got some salt and pepper in this flour, so I'm gonna mix this up a little bit. And yeah, these are the tomatoes right here. Some nice fresh green tomatoes. Ooh, let's do this. We got the tomatoes all done. I got the griddle nice and hot. We're at 395 over here and 230 over here. So I got medium high, all the way low, and a medium over here. Now we're gonna do a shallow fry on these over here. I'm gonna do the veggies over here on this side, and I'm gonna smash the burger over here as well. So I got a lot of oil down right now. Let's just keep that up here. It's gonna wanna run towards the drain. I probably should have tilted it back. I think we'll be fine. Just letting this oil heat up a little bit on this hot griddle. Get this stuff around. All right. Let's see what the gun says. Oh, dropped it. It says 380, so I think we're good. So let's go ahead and throw some of this these tomatoes on. Keep this oil over here. All right, and I'm gonna keep adding oil here and there too, just to make sure we keep frying. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it in. Now we got these things on here. Like I said, I'm gonna try and keep this oil up top over here, or well, close to me. And so when it starts getting down here, just pull it back up and just keep going like that. Now let's get going on these veggies over here as well. Now all I got is, oop, almost lost it. What is this? Like maybe half of a red bell pepper and half of a sweet onion. So let's go ahead and get it done. All right, not much. We don't need much. Just me and my wife with the veggies tonight. So boom, we got that stuff frying up. We got these frying up. Keep that oil over here. There we go. Yeah, and I'll bring you back in when I'm getting ready to flip these. We'll see how they look. But for now, let's get these going. Get these all covered. There we go. Boom. Alright. Now, and I forgot to do it on camera, but I made a homemade Remoulade sauce. I did one before too when I did my crab cakes. I did this one a little different. This one's a little more spicy. But I have everything in the description below if you're interested in that. So yeah, we're just gonna let these things fry up for a minute and we'll bring you right back. So I think these are looking pretty darn good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some more oil over here. Let that oil drain down into these other ones. Just let that keep going. Let's see how we're doing on these veggies. I turned this burner all the way down now, so both my burners on the left are all the way low. Boom. Alright, we're looking good on these veggies. I'm going to move them up. Alright, see what tempo we're rolling on. 350. We're good. Let's give these burgers a smash. So we got the burgers going over here. Let's see how these are doing. Alright, they're coming along. Let's go ahead and leave them be. That one's done. This one's done. Boom. Just going to put these over here on a paper towel. See how we're doing here. Good. Alright, we're going to leave these two to keep going over here. There we go. Come on. Give me a flip. Boom. Now with that, I'm going to put one of the big ones per burger. Well, actually not on my daughter's. No way she'd like that. And then I got the Remoulade sauce to dip them in, and I'm going to put the Remoulade sauce on the burger. Got some nice brioche buns that actually I'm going to get toasting on those right now. So we got some Duke's mayonnaise for the brioche bun to get a nice little toast on it. We're about ready to take the green tomatoes off, give these burgers a flip. Got a lot of oil down there, so we don't need much Dukes on there. Let's let them go for a hot second. Let's get these off. There we go. Whew, man, it's pretty hot over here. Let me turn that down. Turn them down. Let's give these a flip now. Alright. Buns are done. Only on there for... Whew, hot. Alright, yeah, they were only on there for a couple minutes, but... Alright. Boom. Now we're good over here. We're just letting them finish up. We got the veggies over here. These are done. Alright. Just going to clean up a spot from my cutting board. We're going to dish this up. So everything's ready. Now let's dish this thing up. I'm going to start off, you know what? Let's bring it in and check it out. Let's give this green tomato a taste. Now this is my first time ever making fried green tomatoes. I've eaten them before. I love them. Man. Whew. Let's give it a taste. That is good. Got a real nice crisp on that. Where did we go? Nice juicy burger. That is delicious. Man. That remoulade sauce, so good. Got a nice little kick to it. I love the onion. Grilled onion is one of my favorite things ever. A little messy. That's all I got, guys. I'm gonna dive in, go watch something good for dinner. That's what I call it, watching something for dinner. But appreciate you coming along. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up for me if you liked the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook, and see you on the next one. Thanks.